You know how you have those times that you're feeling something inside and your body's changing and you're not sure what to do and you're feeling new feelings and then one day, oh, you feel different. Oh, hey, we got a new logo. Okay, so today we're going to talk about branding, something just a little bit different, and as you can see, we're pretty happy that we've kind of updated our look a little bit. It was time, but I wanted to kind of explain that process just a little bit and kind of what we went through in our own inventory audit of sorts, if you can call it that. So when you're making this kind of change, hopefully you're doing a refresh because it feels purposeful, there's a motivation behind it, you want people to know that you are staying up to date, and that is going to also be reflected in the products or services that you're offering to people, and also kind of making yourself maybe a little more known. We also had to take into account all the other places that we had old branding or old inventory. And it's interesting because that process also kind of gave us a little bit more insight into some of what our customers go through. You want to do everything you can to have all of your ducks in a row for that change so that it goes as smooth and hopefully without headache as much as you can. You're also going to run into those headaches from time to time, but continue to move forward and you will be able to fix it. You'll be able to swap it out, whatever it is that needs to be addressed. The other lesson is definitely don't be afraid of letting your customers know about who you are. Sometimes we get in that habit of being in a rut, maybe not something that sounds quite so negative of a connotation, but we're used to one pattern and one pattern only. And it was definitely time for us to change how we look, change some of the things we're saying, even if we're kind of saying the same stuff. We're coming from a different angle, maybe a little bit different messaging, so that our customers know who we are, why we care, why we want you to succeed, and what we plan to do about that. Don't be afraid of change and continue to push your company forward, and you will continue to see improvements along the way. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.